Today we are taking a look at Mini Brands Kawaii capsules by Zuru. This is not our first time opening these because last time we found this bubble ducky pump bottle, this movie magic popcorn, and my favorite so far, Bunny Bunny bento box with cute little details inside. I'm looking forward to find this scented mini with real liquid inside, this meow milk, the snacks Lodal ramen, or any of these moving minis. We got a long way to go, so let's find out what we have. Inside the capsule, we have a bag of kawaii slime, a collector's guide. We also have this cute holographic sticker. It says potato chips, a pink plastic bag that has all our minis. We're getting 4 bags in this capsule, so let's check what's in them. Our first bag has this magnifying glass. I would say this is the same size as the ones we get in the mini books capsules, which, as you know, is kind of big for a Barbie. And in our second bag we have... this one says unicorn eggs. This is listed as a rare item in our collector's guide. Let's check what it looks inside. Oh, I'm loving this pink container. The cover says unicorn eggs. It's a sticker actually, it's not printed on. Under that you can see there are 4 sections, and when you open that, we find 4 eggs. These eggs look identical, but the color of their horns are different. I was looking at the sleeves holding the container of clothes, and there are some writing here. It says, dozens of eggs, good for your heart, they keep your brain healthy, shining, and smart. When the sun rises and the rainbows appear, magical unicorn eggs must be here. That is super cute. But if eggs are this cute, I don't know about eating them. The eggs can be removed individually and might even appear too big for Barbie. I'll settle our finds here, and let's check our next bag. We got this mini that looks like a donut with wings. It says Pixie Dust Donuts, a whole lot of magic. The back of it says Pixie Dust Donuts, a whole lot of magic. And unfortunately, we could not remove this. Actually, the donut is not just donut shaped. It looks like it's actually molded into the box. The glaze itself is also a molded piece of material. This is purple with some glitter on it. The wing is quite soft and it has a pearly finish. And just like our other kawaii minis, the scale is quite off for a 1/6 scale doll, but you can probably use this for bigger dolls. And in our next bag, we have... another bubble ducky. That makes 2 of it so far. I hope we do not get duplicates. Here's our second capsule. I'm glad that this zipper part opens easier. We are getting another bag of slime, our collector's guide, and another holographic sticker. This one says Bubble Ducky Bubble Bath. We're getting 4 bags again this time, and I think I'll always start with this one since I already know what's in it. Second magnifying glass for the day. Our first bag. Oh my gosh, these minis are so cute. It says too cute to McMunch. Inside the container are kitten-sized nuggets, and there are molded pieces of plastic here. I think they're meant to look like ketchup. The box itself could be closed, and the cover says too cute to McMunch. And while this container reminds me so much of the containers we got from Mega Gross and Foodies Mini Brands, this unfortunately could not close. Well, I mean, this could close, but you cannot latch them close. And it's okay that they stay open because these cuties should not be kept inside. Our collector's guide lists these as common, but let's see what's in the other bags. And here, it's another bubble ducky. Not too fun. And in our last bag, our next mini is called Little Butt Butts Toilet Paper. Soft and strong, that's how we roll. And it's got an anxious face printed on it. That's so funny. One side of the roll says, about to hit number 2, make sure you run to the loo. You won't have to cry because this guy is 3-ply. No rough times ahead, this roll's extra cushy for your tushy. There's this little piece here that's supposed to resemble a toilet paper, and if you pull it, it pulls into this sheet, and if you pull it again, it springs back in. Our guide lists it as ultra rare. It's right here, so let's mark it. 4 more capsules, and I hope that we find what we were looking for. Again, we have the slime and the collector's guide. I'm gonna put that here. And we also have this sticker. It's Little Putt-Putt's toilet paper. And we have our magnifying glass. I was checking the inside of our bag and I am seeing this plastic wrap. I'm hoping that this is a scented mini. I'm going to open the paper bag ones first. No, so I'm trying to reserve my excitement for later. So let's see what's in this one. Hope it's not a repeat. Oh my gosh. At this point, this mini has a distinct feel that when I touch the bag, I know that it's going to be this. Ugh, I'll put this here for now. And our next mini is... Alright, well, another movie magic popcorn. Inside that same bag, we also have this movie ticket. It says, "A star is corn," and this attaches here on the slit at the top of our popcorn bucket. I mean, this might be a double, but this is so cute. Now, this might be a little too big for our Barbie, but you can always pretend this is a large-sized popcorn. Let me put it here. And our plastic bag. What do you think is in it? I'm hoping this is a scented mini. Let me pull it out slowly. Our next mini is this McCutie's French fries. And you guys, this is a moving mini. So when you press the fries, the mustache moves. The back of it says, "What do French fries do when they haven't seen each other for a long time?" They ketchup. Get it? Ketchup. And I think the reason why this was inside that metallic bag is this mini is scented. Although it doesn't smell like fries, it smells more like plastic. I wanted to pretend that this is a big sized fries for our doll, but the scale is just way too off. Let me put it down here. And our McCutie's fries is under the scented category, so let's mark that. And check out the next one. Here's our slime, our collector's guide, and our sticker that says Rainbow Forms Unicorn Eggs. I think first thing to check is if we have metallic bags. Alright, we don't. I'm seeing we have 1, 2, 3, 4 bags. And the first one being, of course, a magnifying glass. This one's kinda cylindrical. Oh, this is adorable. Daily Grind Coffee. You mocha me crazy. More details printed on the label. Smooth, warm, and made with just the right amount of love. One sip and you'll be asking, where have you been? All my life. Our customers mean a latte to us. That's why every 4th cup of Daily Grind is on us. And that's what we call the coffeels. Oh, here's more. You know the feeling? It's deja brew. You just have to start the day the right way, and that's with the hot cup of Daily Grind coffee to go. This is so cute. Even though the messages are uplifting, the face printed on the cup is, well, not so happy. I thought the lid could be removed, but it's glued. I wanted to say this is way too big for a Barbie, but you know what? This is also the amount of coffee I drink every day. For our next bag, this feels like boxy to me, or like a container of some sort. Oh wow, that's so cute. The inside of the box says Kitty Burger, and you guessed it, it's a kitty-shaped burger. Perfectly cute. So it's a burger with double patties. I'm seeing some tomatoes, cheese, and lettuce. And the burger itself could not be removed because it's stuck in the box. The cover of the box says Kitty Burger, the burger for all the kitty lovers. Now, I don't mind doubles of this. Flip it on the bottom and there are some writings here. It says, all over the world, people can't wait to get their claws onto McCutie's Kitty Burger. With meow milk cheese, a perfect patty, tomcat tomato, and possum sauce. Oh, so adorable. Funny thing is, even though this box has latches, You could not close it because the burger is just too big. I want to say it's a workable size for a Barbie because there are restaurants that serve humongous burgers like this. Our coffee is listed as common and our burger is under... where's that? Must be on this other page. The burger... there you go. It's a rare item. And for our last mini, we have... oh my gosh, it's a moving mini. This one says, Snow Bunny's Cute Scoop Ice Cream. Nothing's more yummy than Snow Bunny. So this mini has a ice cream shaped bunny, or a bunny shaped ice cream scoop. Earlier I thought the eyes are stickers, but no, they're actually printed. That's cool. Something cool I noticed is when you press it, it's not just popping up and down. You press it once and it hides, you press it another and it brings itself back out. So our moving mini is listed under ultra rare, and it turns out that toilet paper earlier is also under a moving mini category. So far we've found 3 moving minis. We have the fries, the ice cream, and the toilet paper. Let's set our ice cream down and keep going. I could imagine getting a duplicate sticker, but yeah, we have a duplicate. It says Bubble Ducky Bubble Bath. Okay, I'm not seeing any metallic bags, so just regulars, I guess. Here's our magnifying glass. And trying to feel if this is familiar, but we got... it's a big mug that says Mama Bear Hot Chocolate. Wait, is this a moving mini? It is a moving mini! So this is a big mug of hot chocolate, I think. It's got twisted mallows and it has a straw. Just like our other mini so far, it's quite big for a Barbie, but this is workable as a display. I can't believe we now have 4 moving minis out of 5. Oh, we get more of the rare ones. Well, speaking of rares, unicorns are rare, but we already have 2 of this, so this is our 3rd. But of all our minis, this is one of those with the close to perfect scale to a Barbie. So, not complaining much. We already marked our unicorn, so let's just mark our hot cocoa. And last bag for the capsule. Please don't be a double. Oh, this is so cute! Kitten Mitten Cookies. On the corner label it says, check me out, real chocolate chips. It's a box of cookies. The box itself is cat-shaped. The side off it says Kitten Mitten Cookies. Same with the other side. And the back, oh, look at that. It's got a tail. Also it says, no matter how busy your day gets, there's always a meowment to enjoy a Kitten Mitten cookie. That kitty claw crumb crunch, the possum chalk chips, one bite will leave you feeling good. While this box of cookies is so cute, I wish that the cookies are actually removable. They are not. They're molded into one single block or chunk, and they're glued into the box. So yeah, maybe we'll get something cute for our last one. Here are our cookies with Barbie. The size of the cookies is actually good. I mean, it's Barbie scale, it's just that we could not remove it from that, so too bad. Let's see what we have for our last one. Our 6th sticker is 1 million kisses. This one's kind of cute, actually. And we have anything metallic inside? No, we do not. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 paper bags. Let's put that aside and let's open our papers. Alright, you know what's in this one. It's our magnifying glass. First bag from our last capsule is... a duplicate of the Kitten Mitten cookies. Next bag. Oh, we got a double of the Bunny bento box. But you know what? I don't mind the double of this because the details are so cute. And also I like that this is just the right size for a Barbie. And with doubles like this, you can make a lunch break scene. And for our last one, I'm hoping that this is not a duplicate. Oh my gosh, we got the real liquid mini. This is Meow Milk. The container itself is acrylic, and you can see that the inside has liquid. But if you're a child watching this, this is not edible. I was hoping to find the scented liquid mini, but you know what? This is also good. I'm so glad to find this. Here's Barbie holding our container. Actually, it's a little too big for her. But you know what? It's okay, because for most of our minis, we will be using these as displays. We found most of the minis that we were looking for, and we luckily scored a scented one. But I think the best part is scoring 3 different moving minis out of 6 capsules. The bento remains as one of my favorites, but I think for today's video, my favorite are these unicorn eggs. Thank you for joining us in opening kawaii capsules, finding cute minis, and finding 4 out of 5 moving minis. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram at Tice Collectibles and give us a like. Share this video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. We'll see you next time.